Hello everyone, welcome to part 61 of Dr. Wayne Dyer's 101 Ways to Transform Your Life. 61 parts in, and we're talking about love once again, because the love-fear dichotomy is so huge, okay? So here he's saying that we should make love the purpose of our life, that we should act to give love without this idea of needing to be received, okay? That we just give love to give without a reward, yet we end up getting one. So I'm going to explain kind of why. When you sow the seeds of love, because I have this idea that basically every emotion at its core is either love or it's fear. Okay, that's what that's where the motivation of the emotion really comes from. It's either from the source of love or it's from the source of fear, which I've explained before in many other videos, but I can explain that again. And I will continue probably for a long time on how that one works, because it can be a little confusing. But basically, when we sow the seeds of love into our garden, which is our subconscious mind, when we keep planting the thoughts of love, like, I feel love, I love my life, everything's working, that kind of stuff, when we really plant those ideas in the subconscious mind, it delivers back so much more love. And when we give love to others, we receive it ourselves. So if we say, I love you so-and-so, and you can appreciate the qualities of somebody instead of saying I love you, my boss kind of person, you could say, I like these kind of things. You can really appreciate all those things. You can ask about the person. You can ask how their golf game went, how their weekend was. This kind of thing really gets people excited when you want to talk about them, when you want to hear their stories and all that kind of stuff. People really love that kind of stuff overall. And so this is really what this principle is about. Give love to others, give appreciation to others, gratitude, all that kind of stuff, because that's pretty rare in the world. And when people find that, they're naturally going to reward you, your subconscious mind's going to reward you, and your higher self is just really all about that. I mean, it's just all about, I feel so good when I give to others, and then the subconscious mind just gives us back so much love and energy and rewards and ideas when we give love to others. That's about it for part 61. I will see you guys next time with part 62. So let me know how you guys feel about this one, and I will see you guys next time with part 62. So stay tuned.